everybody, welcome to the Crafter's Story. It's Celestia and thank you so much for stopping by. So it is Tuesday, so it is Twinchie Tuesday, which is a hashtag that is hosted by Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. And so this week I thought I was trying to do a Twinchie waterfall. Yeah, didn't work. The whole idea fell apart. So I have all these Twinchies that are, have these little sort of holes in them. And I won't even bother to try and explain what I was trying to do because the whole thing just didn't work. But I thought these could still be like little, let's say, pocket sliders. So if you had to put this in your journal and put your glue down on the side, you could still sort of put in a pin here or a note or a little tag or something. And so I think this still could work in a journal as a kind of pocket. But for today, I think what I'm going to dub these are Twinchie sliders. So because you're going to be able to slide something in the top or in the bottom, or maybe just put a little tag here, maybe even a little paper clip. I don't know. Lots of opportunities that you could try with that. So I have 4 that I've completed. I'll bring them up. I think it's easier if I just bring them up and you can see them all together. And if you want to stick around just for another couple of minutes, I will show you how I painted this one from scratch. Let me actually bring this up. It's probably easier. Then you can, there's the one little guy. And then this little oakie. And so they're a little bit wet still, especially with these purple little berries. The paint is quite thick. It's just acrylic paint, but I layer and I put on pretty thick, so it will take a day to dry. So there's that one. And then this is the one that I'm going to demonstrate in the next few minutes. If you want to stick around, you'll be able to see how I did that one.